That guy wanted to race the Ninja. Can't see him anymore.
Make the ground shake.
So what is up, guys? Guess what I have here? My new mirrors have arrived. Yeah, the new mirrors I ordered for my Husky. Can't wait to see how these look on it. I think they look better than the ones on the Ninja.
But first, I'm off to get a few things so I can mount these mirrors.
Yeah, fellow rider, the riders are out.
Oh yeah! Can't wait to see how those mirrors are gonna look on my Husky.
So the idol of the Ninja has been acting up. I don't know if it's because I haven't rode it for a while, or maybe I need to adjust it. Just a tiny little bit.
Epic wheelie fail. Kind of strange dropping the clutch on this bike. Maybe it's because of the slipper clutch. Ooh, Nelly. Oh, fucking traffic, motherfuckers. Let's pretend we have a Supermoto and jump over the sidewalk.
Yeah, guys, so I wanted to try something new. Can you guess what I got? Well, it's an epic GoPro head mount. Yeah, I wanted to try something new for you guys, and we'll test it out pretty soon and start putting on those mirrors on the Husky. Woo! Ooh, Nelly.
Fucking traffic. Every fucking where. Traffic, traffic, traffic. Motherfuckers. Come on. You can do it. Rev bomb. It kinda wants to do a wheelie, my Ninja.
Yeah, guys, so I got the tools, and holy moly, this parked next to me while I was gone. The ZX-10R, what a beauty. Looks like I'm not the only one coming to the hardware store for tools. Yeah, it's the older model, but nice.
Rev bombing, yeah. Gotta love that Krapovic. Let's go put on those mirrors on the Husky. That guy wanted to race the Ninja. Can't see him anymore. Well, the Ninja 300 isn't quite a monster as the 600, but you can race most of the cars on the road.
7,300 kilometers, guys.
Woo, Nelly, nice doggy.
Well, as you can probably notice from my shadow, I look very fucking weird with this thing on my head. Yeah, so we'll need to take these off first. Yeah, all the mirrors. Let's see. Gnarly screw. I hope these adapters fit. Yep, perfect fit. Alright. Okay, so let's take the left mirror. Ooh, what a beauty. Gotta fit this just right. So something like that, guys. Yeah, very awesome. Let's get the other one. Yeah. Now for the other mirror. First you tighten this part on the mirror. Then you tighten this down. And hope they don't fall off. Align the mirror with the handlebar, something like that. Then tighten this down without moving the mirror. Okay, adjust it a little bit, and voila. Okay guys, so something like that. Yeah, looks pretty nice. Woo. The new mirrors on the Husky, nice. So they fold down like this. So yeah, that's about it.
Yeah guys, so I hope these mirrors don't fly off because of the vibration and all. Sweet mirrors. You can't see jack shit because when I hit the throttle, woo, nice jump. When I hit the throttle, they vibrate and I don't see the image too clear. The front wheel jumped a little bit, yeah. Sure hope the mirrors don't fly off because they're kind of cheap. They look nice, but cheap as fuck though. When you hit the throttle, it's like it explodes. And I don't even have the noise killer off. Holy crap. Because when I bought this bike, I told the previous owner to put the noise killer on, because damn, when he test started it for me, it was like boom, motherfucker. Felt like it was going to blow up. Ooh, nice. Oh, these mirrors sure look fine though. Yeah, so guess I'll have to get used to these if they don't fly off in the next few days. Nope, not there with the wheelies yet. Kind of fucking scary actually. That was a wheelie, guys. Small wheelie. Woo, what a rush. Yeah guys, thanks for watching this video and joining me again. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit the happy thumb below. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace. Yeah.